This video will walk you through creating an engineering change order, or ECO for short, and then adding affected parts to it, which is one common approach to managing change in Razorleaf ARIS Quick Start. Another way to initiate a change is by starting from the part that requires modification and raising an ECO directly from there. To learn about that method, please refer to the video titled Razorleaf Change Management, Add Item to Change. Expand the Contents tab. Click the Pin button, double right arrow icon, to keep the contents pinned open so that they don't disappear from view. You can click the double left arrow at any time to collapse the contents again should you desire. Expand the Razorleaf section from the table of contents. Expand the Change Management section from the table of contents. You can create a RL Express ECO in two ways. First, by selecting RL Express ECOs from the top table of contents. Second, by clicking the RL Express ECOs tile on the screen, which opens the search grid. Both options are valid and lead to the RL Express ECOs creation. Initiate the engineering change order creation process by selecting the option to create a new RL Express ECO. This will open the RL Express ECO creation form. Enter a value in the title field. The fields with yellow background are mandatory properties and must be filled in before saving. Click on the classification option. Select the classification option. There are 3 available classifications. The purpose of each classification is as follows. Production, for formal changes in mass manufacturing. Prototype, for changes during testing or development. Quick change, for minor, fast-tracked updates. Choose the one that best fits your requirement. Next, click on the Team field to define the right group of users have access to review or approve the document based on their roles. Upon clicking Search, a pop-up window will appear displaying a list of available teams, allowing the user to select the required team. After selecting the required team, the user can confirm the selection by clicking OK. Click the plus symbol to include the items such as parts, CAD, documents, etc. that you want to submit to the change process through the Express ECO. Initiate a search to open a pop-up window where you can select the desired items. If you're looking for a specific type such as part, you can select the type from the drop-down menu. This acts as a filtering criteria for faster search. Select the specific item from the search results to open it. Confirm the selection by clicking OK. Selected rows will appear in the Impact Matrix tab for review. In order to review the part bomb structure, click plus to expand, click minus to collapse and click refresh to view the latest changes. In the Impact Matrix, you will notice that affected parts typically start in either the preliminary or prototype state. These are the initial lifecycle stages before approval, and they will update automatically as the ECO progresses through its workflow. Complete the process by clicking Done. This will save the ECO with an auto-generated ECO number in the system. Using the Razorleaf Express ECO process, all the items present under the Impact Matrix tab will go through the Razorleaf change management process and, subject to review and approval, will result in a lifecycle state change to the required state. If approval is not granted, the process will revert to a rejected state for resubmission if required. Please see the following workflow for guidance.